already. Oops.
Let's get our book out. Then we'll do some other stuff. Okay.
เตรียมหนังสือคอมพิวเตอร์มาเลยครับ
โอเค Teacher, I also use highlighter.
Okay, but we're just going to do the questions for today. Okay, so on page 9. Did you finish page 8? Yes or no?
We already done, teacher.
Okay, so page 9.
We already done.
Already done, huh?
We already done page 9.
Page 10? Page 10
Yes,
finished?
I mean page. Not yet.
Okay, so let's go to page 10 then.
People, 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 people. Have no submission.
All right. Okay.
Page 9.
Have my pen, right?
What is it? To about.
Okay, so we have to state if the answer is true or false.
Teacher, what page?
Page 10, pun.
Page 20.
10.
Teacher, what page?
10.
10. Let's go.
Oh, why? So who wants to read number 1 for me? Who wants to read this one here? Who wants to read number 1?
ใครจะอ่านนะข้อที่1
Anyone want to read?
Me.
Pick up number 1. Here,
Computer is electronic device. Yes.
Good. So a computer is an electronic device. Do you think that's true or false? True or false? Which one?
True.
True. So your book you're going to write true.
Teacher, in the
Yes.
in Kahoot or not?
No Kahoot today, no.
Teacher,
Just going to finish this part.
my head is upside down.
Oh.
Upside down, teacher.
Okay. Right, number 2. Who wants to read number 2? Somebody read number 2 for me. So somebody else. Neen?
No.
You want to read? So this one here, Neen.
The data you enter into a computer.
Good. So output is the data you enter into a
Good
computer.
morning. Good morning, teacher.
True or false?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
สวัสดีครับคุณครูเอ
So what is your answer? What is your answer? Is the output the data you put into your computer? Yes or no? Who knows this answer?
False.
False. Well done. What is data that you enter? The data is your input. So you input your data through your keyboard, for example. Okay. Also stuff like your iPad, Your iPad, you input using your finger. Okay, number 3. Who can read number 3 for me? Who wants to read for me? Anyone? Oh, one son.
ออก้าอ่านให้ทีเชอร์ฟังข้อ
Who
3
wants to read number 3? Anyone? Anyone can read. Okay, you want to read number 3?
Yes.
Okay, off you go.
MS Word is a MS Word is a kit of software.
So,
It's a kind of software.
good. So
Teacher,
MS,
what page?
MS Word
What
is a kind of software.
page?
Page
10.
10. Wait,
What's the read?
page 10. So Orca kindly just read out that MS Word is a kind of software. Is the answer true or false? What is your answer?
True.
Good, true. So you're going to circle your true. Or you're going to write true in your book.
The computer cannot work.
What's that word here? What's this word here? Anyone know this word? Who can say, who can help in circle? What is this word?
Without.
Good, without. Without
System.
what?
Software.
Good. So can you read it again? Can you read it again for me?
The computer cannot work without system software.
Perfect. So this word here is software. Software. Good. So I shall read it. The computer cannot work without system software. Do you think that is true or false? Do you think that is true or false? What is the answer, do you think? I cannot hear you. What is the answer? The answer is
Wow.
false. So we don't need system software.
True.
True, we need system software. It has to be on there. Otherwise, you cannot load your computer. Okay, let's have somebody else. Let's have a girl read number 5 for me, please.
MS Windows is an application.
Again,
การเป็นผู้หญิงเหรอ
I was asking for a girl, but it's fine. I was asking for a woman to speak, a girl. Who wants to read? Enzyme, do you want to have a go reading? Enzyme, Gam. Who wants to help read? If not, I'll pass it back on to a boy. Okay, boys, what's number 5? Who wants to read?
MS Windows is an application.
Good. So MS Windows is an application. Is that true or is that false?
False.
Who said false? MS Windows.
False.
Okay, that is true. Is it that? It's not an application, right? It's software. So it's not application software. This should be, I cannot write actually. So it's false. Let me know when you have finished so I can move on. Have we all finished? Yes or no?
Finish.
Okay.
May I go to toilet, please?
You can, yes. Okay, let's wait for the people to come back to the toilet so we don't have any people saying, I have not finished.
Teacher, may I go to toilet, please?
Hurry up, Chris. I shall wait for you.
I'm done, teacher. I'm done.
Good.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, I'm waiting for the people to come back to the toilet and then we'll continue, okay? So next one. Let me load my laptop so we can finish off this one. Is everyone back from the toilet yet?
คุณครูเอครับวันนี้ได้เล่นคาฮูไหมครับ
No Kahoot. Kahoot will be next lesson, not now.
ครับครูเอครับ
And teacher, what should we learn today? Poetry or Nearpod?
We will be doing some Nearpod after this. There's a video and I want to go through some matching pairs and then we're done.
Love poetry, then Kahoot and Nearpod.
You've done some other stuff, yep. But today we're just going to finish off this chapter. So next week we're ready for the next chapter.
In the day, play Kahoot, yes or no?
Not today, no. I think we run out of time once we answer some of the stuff on Nearpod. Okay.
I want to play.
Okay, are we all back from the toilet? So we can move on? Yes or no?
มาครบหรือยังคะที่ไปห้องน้ำอ่ะ
I think Chris is still in the toilet, right?
Finish.
Okay, so let's move on. The next page. So the next page we have 5 questions. Yes, your 5 questions we have to write an answer. So you'll need your pencil to write what you think is the answer. So D1 asks us, in your own words, what is a computer?
Teacher, what page?
Really? Page. What page is it? 10. Is it page 10 or page 11? So number 1 asks us, what is a computer? Who can tell me what they think a computer is? I am looking for a word beginning with E. Who can answer my question? Anyone? Chris, what is a computer? Orca, what is a computer? Gam, what is a computer? Songkran. Let's try and speak through the mic. This is a speaking exercise. Who can tell me an answer for what is a computer? I shall help you. A computer is, and what is the answer? A computer is what? Who can tell me?
electronic device.
Great, awesome. Is an electronic device.
เราก็เขียนตามพิเชอร์สิให้เขียนตามเขาว่า
Hmm?
นี่ไงคอมพิวเตอร์ is an electronic device เนี่ยที่พิเชอร์เขียนน่ะว่าคอมพิวเตอร์ก็เป็น
Well done to whoever said that answer. I was looking for the electronic device.
Teacher, what page?
I put the page up here. Come on.
เพจ
Up
ก็อยู่
here in
ตร
the
ง
box.
GAGE ไงตรงนั้นน่ะ
Up here in the blue box. Okay, number 2. What is the input process output? What is that cycle? In your book, you can turn to page. What page was we on? Who can tell me what it is? Anyone?
Finish.
It's on page 2, your IPO cycle. So your IPO cycle, we said this was what? Okay, your IPO is, remember we add data with our input device. So we add through the keyboard. Your process is your CPU. So your CPU is processing that data. And your output is you seeing or hearing your input data. So if you type, we see through the monitor. This is a cycle. So I'm going to write. It's quite a long one, this one, okay? So we are accepting data, processing the data, and given a result. Okay? So wait for it to load. So we have a cycle. That cycle has 3 stages.
Teacher, why I cannot see?
Hang on. It will update in a minute. Those stages are your input, such as your keyboard or mouse. This is the data. You then process that data using your CPU. And the final stage is your output. That means that you get a result. You see your end product. So when you play your music, you click the music on your mouse. Your CPU then tells the program to play that song. You then hear that song using the speaker.
Teacher, make a
Yes?
toilet,
What's wrong?
please. Go to toilet, please.
Ow. I already let 2 people go to the toilet. You could have gone a long time ago. Hurry up. Number 3, let's have pun. Give 2 examples of hardware. Pun. Pun. Anyone there? Songkran? Namon?
Teacher, I'm finished.
Number 3, give 2 examples of hardware. What is hardware? Pun, are you there?
Mouse.
What is an example of hardware? Can you name me one piece of hardware?
Mouse.
Mouse. What else?
Printer.
Any more?
Printer.
What else?
Monitor.
Good. Can you name some more? Scanner. Good. Floppy disk. Excellent.
CPU.
CPU. What else? I've put a lot here, so you can pick two, okay? It's up to you.
Scanner.
Hmm?
These are two examples of hardware.
You can pick any two, Pun, any two. So it's up to you. You can write all 6 or you can pick 2.
CPU.
So I will pick on here printer and monitor, for example. It's up to you. Which one do you pick? I've given you a list.
Monitor. I like mouse, printer, and monitor.
It's up to you, Chris. You pick 2, just 2.
I like CPU, monitor.
Perfect. Awesome.
Okay.
Okay. So I've just given you a whole list of different types. Okay, and number 4, if you're ready. The question asks us, what are the 2 types of software? What software are there, or what 2 types? There's 2 on page.
Windows.
Pardon?
Windows.
No, that's an example of some
Pen.
software. We need the 2 types. So we have 1 beginning with A. Nope, not Paint is an example.
Application software.
Perfect. Application software. And what else? There's another one.
Software.
Perfect. There's also another one. System software. I was reading from the book. My bad. So we have application software and system software. Okay, can you name me some software then? Who can name me some software? You said MS Paint. What else is software? August? Who can name me some software?
What?
Software. Some software example, like MS Paint. What other software do you know? Who can tell me another type of software?
Software.
So we have Paint, we have MS Word, we have Windows. What other software is there? We said Windows. What else?
Pen. Word.
Paint. What else? Word. What
Pen.
else? What else?
Pen.
Not data, no. I should do it in a minute, actually. So let me go around here and let's name some software. We'll do it together, okay?
I'm not finished. This is not
Oh, you're not
finished.
finished. Okay, my bad, sorry. So I'll put some application software here and then I'll show you the next slide once you're finished.
Teacher 5 number 5
Okay. Number 5 asks us, name the part of the computer that you cannot touch. There's a special word for the things that you cannot touch. What's it called? You can see it and you can play with it, but you cannot touch. What's it called? Begins with S.
application
Perfect. Or
software
perfect. How do you spell software?
SOFT
Perfect. Well done.
WARE
Let me go back to my slides. So the stuff that we can see, sorry, the stuff that we cannot see or touch is software. Okay. So software is your answer.
finish
Good. Okay. Let me wait for other people to finish. Then we'll move on.
I'm not finished
Okay. No rush.
finish
Good.
teacher I'm finished
Okay. I shall have to wait till everybody finished. Okay. Good. Mata, Tama, I haven't heard your voice. Have you finished? Songkran, have you finished?
finish
Who else? Tun 1 and Tun 2, have you finished?
finish
Good.
not finished
Okay, I shall wait. I have to wait till everybody's finished because I want to move on to our next slide. Once we've finished all of this, we're going to load up, what's it called? Nearpod. We're going to play some matching games. And if we have time, there's a video. But if we don't have time, it's okay.
finish
Good. Who hasn't finished?
I am finished
Son, you sound like you're a zombie.
I am done already
Gam, have you finished?
I am finished
Enzyme, have you finished?
I am finished yes
Good girl.
Donando Free Fire
Okay, in 1 more minute, I'm going to change the slide. And then we'll do these last ones.
Donando Free Fire Enjoy is not finished yet oh no อ้าวออก้าเปิดโทรศัพท์มาทำไม
Okay, have you finished, buddy?
อ้าวได้มีไก่ด้วย
Okay, finished?
เอาออก้าเอาโทรศัพท์ขึ้นมาทำไม Teacher do you know how to make your
Pardon? Make your what?
your passcode into an alphabetical word
Oh. What program is this for? What program?
iPhone
No, I don't know that one. I don't have an iPhone.
I can do it
You can't do it.
I'm iPhone 11 what the app in Android I have done it
Right, okay, the next one. Let's have some answers. Who can name me one type of software?
ใช้เรียนอยู่โทรศัพท์ใช้เรียนอยู่
Let's go, buddy. Application software. Name me some.
MS Word
Good. What else?
Pen
Paint. What else?
YouTube
I'll give you that one.
YouTube
What else?
Google Chrome
Google.
Netflix
Good. Netflix.
Media Box Google Classroom, Google Drive.
Okay, good. Okay, let me update that one. And then your system software. What else do we have? System software. Let's have some system software. Let's go.
System software, iOS.
iOS. What else?
Android.
Perfect. What else?
Mac
Windows,
Mac OS, Linux.
Okay, so here's our 3, 4. Okay, we put another 4th one in there as well.
Oh yeah.
Mac OS.
In the
Yes.
iPad, in the iPad, it are not iOS in the
We need
iPad.
iOS. Well done, Chris. Perfect.
Mac OS.
Perfect. No, iOS. iOS for your
Apple.
mobile devices, Chris.
Like
And
I have an Apple device, it's an iOS.
good. Any device for Apple is iOS. Any like computer from Apple is Mac OS. Yes, Chris.
What does
Yes.
Samsung?
What page?
Android.
Samsung is an Android.
Teacher,
done.
what page?
Android.
There's no page for this one. This is
What
just us
page?
brainstorming, son.
What
Okay, there's no
page?
page.
What page?
There's no page, son. No page. No page. We're just talking.
ในหนังสือแล้ว It's
Okay.
just to see.
So let's open up Nearpod. Let's go to Nearpod.
โอ้เด็ก
Go to Nearpod.
โอ้เสียงดัง
Go to Nearpod.
ORC
I'm going to give you the code.
space
I'm
S
going to wait for
Y
everyone to join on this one. Okay? Everyone must join.
J A passcode. Link.
Just go. Hang on. Okay, wait. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
เดี๋ยวลิง
Okay.
ตรงกลาง
Hang on. Wait there. Hang
Code.
on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
โคดโคด
Nearpod.com. Nearpod.com.
Okay, what the code?
I'm gonna put it on the chat.
Put
I'm
it
going
on
to
the
load the
chat.
chat. Hang on. Let me put.
โอเคเปิดไว้เลย
So
ที่เชื่อชาดีเว้นวะโคดที่เชื่อโคด
so your code is.
โคดnot link โคด
Hang on.
โคด
So J8 3PN. J8 3PN.
ไปเลยwait for sec
Pardon?
ที่บ้านนี่เน็ตดี code it's a code right
Yeah, that's your code.
Okay.
Okay. J8 3PN.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's all join. If you have problems, let me know. We're still learning this software, so we're gonna have problems.
Teacher, this is welcome.
Yep, welcome. That's
This
good.
one for your teacher to start the
Good. So I'm waiting. So Krish, on my screen, you can see that you've joined.
yes.
Jam's joined. Monty's joined. Ladder's joined. Good. We have RUV
คราว
Tama.
นี้ทำมา3ชื่อเลยทำมาแค่ชื่อเดียวทำมา3ชื่อเลย
Songkran.
มันมีตัวใหม่มาแล้วมีไอ้ไฮมิดไฟมันมีตัวใหม่เรารู้แล้วเรารู้นานแล้ว A pass I
Neen, well done. Gam, well done.
เอา I also know how to make an iPhone passcode into an
You
alphabet.
can't put that into alphabet.
เราชื่อน้อง
okay.
สาวเซว่าชื่ออะไร
I can I just did
Hold on.
ใครเข้ามาแล้วอ่ะไม่ต้องแตะอะไรดูเข้าใจไหม ถ้าออกไปแล้วมันจะเข้าไม่ใหม่ไม่ได้นะ
ไม่ได้แตะเลยแนว
Okay, so how many more people here? Hold on, Timmy.
ทำไมเพิ่งเข้า
บอกว่าไม่ได้พุ่งเข้า
แล้วนี่ทำไมมันคืออะไร
อันนี้
ที่เชื่อวัดโค้ดผมลืมครับ
Your code is J83PN, son, on the screen.
มันมีอยู่ข้างบนอ่ะ
J83PN.
J83PN
J83PN.
แสดงว่าแล้วเชื่อว่าที่เชื่อต้องมีเกมมาให้เล่น
ที่เชอร์
Yes.
โรบล็อกชื่ออะไรโรบล็อกคิด
อ่ะ
What's wrong, Tun?
บอกคิดว่า ROB LOX
Right, how many people are in here? How many people do we have? We have 13. There's some people missing.
อ่านจากเล่นแล้ว
บล็อกเอาไว้ก่อนนะ
ทำไมมีใครตั้งชื่อว่าบอยเฟน
Yes.
ชื่อแล้วก็ต่อด้วยคำว่าบอยเฟนไม่มีเลย
Who said teacher? Who said that? Okay, August is in here. Well done. Come on, son, join.
โอ้ยต้องเดือด
Yes, what's wrong? Pardon?
โง่เป็นไรเนี่ย
What
I
does
cannot hear
Timmy
you.
come from? How does it come? Where?
Oh, Timmy.
Why
No, Timmy just means that he's away from the controller. Okay, that's all it means. It's fine.
Oh,
Okay, it's okay.
that's
Where is Tuntu? Tuntu, where are you? Okay, Timmy, are you there? Because in a minute I'm going to start.
game.
Okay, hang on. I want to see. It's 21 people. So who's missing?
Teacher, play game, please.
I'm waiting for people to join. Song crying.
ปะฉี่อะเนี่ยกินน้ำเยอะไปหรือเปล่า
Okay, shall we start or shall we wait for more people, teacher? It's up to you.
I think we should start because we have 21 people in Zoom.
15 minutes left, yes. I want to finish before that.
30 seconds.
Just give me start. Teacher, play game.
Okay, where's Timmy? Timmy, are you ready?
Play game.
Okay,
Maybe
for the first one, let's get this underway. The first
เรามา
one.
5 ล้านปีแล้ว
So match the pairs and fill in the correct answer.
เริ่มกันที่
5 questions. Off we go.
ไฟเทรชั่น
OMG. This is hard.
No, it's not hard. We've done this before.
มาแสงมาช่วยหนูหน่อย
Teacher, อันนี้มันทำอะไร อันนี้มันทำอะไร
Teacher I
ดู
finish
Well done, August. August
มา
is
แสง
finished.
มาช่วยหน่อยฮัทดูดิ
You have to click on the picture and click on the word. So if I join you, I show you. So number
เขาบอกว่า
1.
ให้เอามาจากหน้าที่ 9เสร็จหมดเลย
Come on.
ก็คือแบบตอนแรกหนูผิดหมดเลยนะ
Why can't I play it?
ผิดหมดเลย แล้วหนูก็แบบเริ่มแบบเข้าใจเกมแล้วพอ finish กด
Finish
ผิดหมดเลย finish เดี๋ยวเขากดไหนต่อ
Okay, I'm waiting for everyone else to finish
ให้เอามา
first.
โอเคค่ะเดี๋ยวรอบหน้า
ไม่เป็นไรเก้า
finish 50เลย
Yep, I'm still waiting.
มาก็แรกเป็นอิเล็กทรอนิกส์นี่เดี๋ยวรอข้อต่อไปกราฟิกไทยเจอคอมพิวเตอร์ครูครับผมทำเสร็จแล้วทำวิดเอาเจอคอมพิวเตอร์ is มันก็จะ system software แล้วมันจะต้องตอบอันไหนยังไงมันต้องตอบหนูติดคำว่า software
Well done.
ต้องมีตอบมันอันนี้
มั่วไป
เรียก
ดี
แวร์อิเล็กทรอนิกส์ถูกด้วย The software
หนูถูกหมดเลยหนูไปดูหน้าตารางที่ชื่อก
ดมั่วๆไป
เข้าไปดูในซูม
แก้มถูก
ที่ยกเสร็จก่อนเพื่อนเลย
ต้องปิดไมค์
แต่คิดนะโอ้โห
God
So, number one, the computer is an something device.
อันที่หนึ่งนะคะหนูตอบอิเล็กทรอนิกส์
Enzyme, I need you to hurry up. And Monty,
อันที่สามหนู
Timmy,
ตอบ CPU หรือเปล่า ข้อห้าหนูก็ตอบน่าจะตอบแอปพลิเคชันหนูไม่รู้
finish เออ
Well done, we're nearly all finished. Okay, I'm just waiting for enzyme.
faster it looks so easy teacher
Well done, Pun, 5 out of 5. Well done, enzyme, 5 out of 5. August, well done.
กาวอันนี้คือ
Well done, Monty. Well done, Orca. Well done, Neen. Well done, Tama. Lada, 5 out of 5. Awesome. Well done, Toon and Sun. Namon and Songkran, both 9 times. Excellent stuff. Okay. Next one. Again, the same one, but we have different questions. So, match the pairs.
please.
No, you just click on the square. So number 1 is computer. What is a computer? Which word? What word describes a computer? So what is input? What is missing from the input process? What word is missing from the cycle? Which one is your hardware?
yes
Remember, hardware is the stuff that we can touch, and the software is the stuff that we cannot touch. Well done, August. Well done, Chris. 5 of 5. Well done.
15.
Well done, Neen. Monty, 18 goes. Oi. Who else do we have? Namon, well done with 8. Lada, 5 out of 5. Awesome. Timmy and Tun, finish. Okay, let's go. Well done, Pun. I'm waiting for Orca, for Pun, for Timmy, for Tun, for Songkran.
หนูไม่ได้โหลดจากเกมค่ะ
Where is Timmy? Timmy, are you there? Well done, everyone else. So it's only Timmy and Tun. Waiting for Tun.
ตุนวานเล่นได้ไหม
Tun's there. Tun's
Okay.
there. He's just being a bit slow. Timmy's not there though, because he hasn't answered anything. He's not getting no tries.
ทิมมี่เล่นเกมได้ไหมครับ
I don't think Timmy's there. Well done, Chris. 5 out of 5. Well done, Enzyme. 5 out of 5. And Pun. Well done, Ming. 8 times. Awesome. August, 13 times, huh? What happened there? Okay. Tun, did he finish? Tun, 22 times. Whee! 24 times, Tun. Just wait for Tun, and then we'll move on to the last one, which is a video.
Finish.
Well done. Okay, so congratulations to everyone else. I think Timmy's gone somewhere. Okay, the next one. So you're going to watch the video on my screen, and you're going to answer the questions when they pop up. on your screen. Once you finish that, it's lunchtime. So let's go. Let's see what happens.
อะไรวะต่อใช่ เดี๋ยวบอก
In this module, you will learn about the introduction to Windows. What is Windows? Windows is a user-friendly
So we have a
operating
user-friendly
system
operating
which
system.
allows the user
So we can
to install
the
programs
programs
and
your
software on computer systems.
Question 1. What kind of software is MS Windows? What is the correct answer? Click on your screen. I'll give you a couple more seconds. Who is not? Okay, that's probably me. So you should have had your answer should have been system software. Well done for those that got it correct.
Windows is a type of software which can be categorized as both application software and
Whoever's got their
system
microphone on, can
software.
you please mute it.
There are a lot of versions of Windows, such as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, etc. The latest version is Windows 8,
Can you turn off
based
your
on
microphone, whoever that
tile
is? I'm not sure who
interface.
that is.
Let us study the various parts of the
So from last
Windows.
year, we have the parts of the Windows. Can you write one part of the window that you know? It can be anything. Just type your answer. I want to see if you can write an answer. So type it in your screen, type it on your keyboard. Well done, Pun. Okay, that's Windows XP. Okay, you put it's okay. You put different types of Windows, but that's okay. CPU need. Well done, Namo. One part Windows, the hardware.
You know, I had a Windows 2000.
I want you to put something like the taskbar, or an icon, or a window, or something that you can see on your screen. I didn't put that in the question, so that's my bad. But it's okay, at least you put something on your answer. Enzyme. Trash can, well done, Orca. Trash can's a good one. System, interesting. There's no right or wrong answer. I just want to see if you can write. Monty, you're not answering. Ming, August. Okay, if you don't answer. Okay, next one.
The taskbar
taskbar
is at the bottom of the computer screen.
Where is the taskbar? Where is your taskbar? Is it at the bottom or is it at the top? Okay, so let me see where you think the taskbar is. Who has not answered so far? So Tama, Tun, Monty, Ming, San. Okay, so you should have had the bottom. Your taskbar is at the bottom of the screen.
It allows access to the programs that are currently running and also allows the user to switch between them. The taskbar also contains the Start button.
So your Start button is on the taskbar.
The
Your
desktop is the main screen
your main
you
screen.
see after you log on to your computer.
So what do you see when you log on to the computer? What do we see? Do we see a desktop or a CPU first? Couple more seconds. Okay, so let's see the answer. So your answer should have been the desktop. Your CPU, we cannot see. Remember, that is hardware. Wait. Oh.
Is on the side of your computer
So we have a
screen,
sidebar.
which contains small programs called as gadgets.
Your gadgets is on your sidebar.
This feature is present
the right-hand
exclusively
side.
on Windows 7. Let us know more about Windows. It can perform any task related to the system and the user.
So we use it to do tasks.
In general, a Windows screen is a rectangular area on the desktop,
So your Windows screen
which usually
is square
contains
and
a
rectangular.
number of standard parts. There are small
Your
pictures
small pictures
on the desktop screen,
are
which
called
represent
icons.
files, folders, programs, and other items. These pictures are called
What are the small pictures on the desktop called? What are those small pictures called? So we should have had for our answer. They are icons. Small pictures are icons.
icons. On starting the Windows, you will at least see one icon on the desktop, such as Recycle Bin.
So we'll always see the recycle bin.
The images shown here are some of the examples of desktop icons.
So different type of icons.
To start or open a program, you need to double-click on the representative icon.
So to open, we double click.
For example, double-clicking the Internet Explorer icon will start the Internet Explorer.
Okay. So well done to those that have finished all the questions. That will be our lesson finished, okay? Next week, we'll do some more on Windows. So we'll start looking at the desktop and the parts of the window. Okay?
Teacher, there's also Windows Experience.
Yep, this one's a bit old, so I'm guessing they used Windows 7, I think. But it's not like Windows 10, right? So maybe next week we have a look at the different styles of Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. Okay, so we can leave this Nearpod. We don't need it no more. And I will stop sharing my screen because it's your lunchtime now.
yes goodbye
Yes.
teacher เร็ว
Goodbye.
Okay, see you next session.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Anzan.
thank you teacher
Thank you. See you for help.
see you yes
Bye-bye.
bye bye